This is where we will be visiting next. This is Jerome, Arizona. It's in the Verde Valley area, below Flagstaff. This is the first copper town in Arizona. 1876 is when it was founded.
To think about it was like a movie.
It's a very unique community. The last place you'd expect.
This is some of the lower smelting plants for the copper. And this is the tailings. This black material ahead of you is the tailings. Looking down here at the bottom is the Verde River. Imagine they used a lot of water from the Verde River in order to do their smelting. Yes, this is another shot of the Verde River out in the middle of this desolate area. They call it the desert of Arizona. The desert isn't as harmful or as bad as a lot of people would have it. I have always enjoyed the river myself and the desert. These tailings of this copper mine are extensive. I don't know how many miles that it takes in. You've got to remember now that we had no big electric drills and mining equipment. At the time this was done, most of it was done with hand drills and pick and shovel, and push the ore carts or a pole. Yes, this is the copper mine. Copper mine town. Ghost Town, but they are restoring it. Yes, this is part of the hill that they cut away for the copper. Yes, this is an operating mine at the present. This cable running at the speed that it is running took over 5 minutes to come on. They must be going down over 600 feet or better, maybe. I have no idea how deep they're going. What they're doing is this line runs down into a cable that draws this up out, and the bucket will be coming up in a minute to be dumped. Get up. And we dump it into the truck. No, I don't know what they're mining here, really. Now the bucket dumped. There goes the bucket back down. This is in one of the mines out back. There's a live jackass, or a mule, whichever you want to call it.
What's in that drum? Is that just boiling water?
Pardon?
What's in that drum? Is that just boiling?
Well, cooling water, just cooling.
It has a water pump.
Understood. We give people a welcome whistle on the way in, and when they ain't smart enough to get out and look at what
Come in and look at it.
some of the mine workings. As the lady was telling me, this used to be the first road into Jerome.
No, I built it right there in the last 2 months.
This they used to use for crushing up the rock. They call it a stamp mill. But it crushed the ore up into fine so they could smelt it. Haynes Town used to be the entrance to Jerome. This is where we just came out of. Another little town in this copper mine that is completely destroyed. It is a complete ghost town. This is just out of Jerome.